What's the meaning of British English? British English. British English.
British English. British English. British English refers to the form of the English language spoken in the United Kingdom. It is the original form of English and has several distinct features such as spelling variations, for example, color instead of color, and vocabulary differences, for example, lift instead of elevator. British English also has regional variations in pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary across different parts of the UK. It is widely used in international communication, including business and academia. Overall, British English is an important and influential form of the English language that has shaped the culture and history of the United Kingdom and beyond.